Gonna do a room tour. So we're in room 1944 and we're in the Tokelau building, which is a DVC building. So we're on the first floor. So as you walk in, to the left is a full-length mirror, and this is a connecting door to another studio next door. Now there's only studios at the Polynesian or bungalows, so all the rooms are going to be the same apart from the bungalows. To the right you have a big sliding door. Yeah, so it's like a really cool like barn door, which is really nice. I like it. And then as you walk in, this is the first bathroom. Now yes, there are 2 bathrooms, so this is the first one. There's some pretty pictures here. It reminds me of like the tiki room, which is very fitting for this resort. And beautiful mirror with lights. Oh, that's gonna be so good for getting ready. There's one sink, some towels. We also have the H2O products. We have some lotion and some soap. And then we have a little trash can, some drawers. It's like some good storage, and then those 2 bits are empty. Now there's no hairdryer, but I believe that could be in the other bathroom, so we'll check on that. Now this is the toilet. Above it is a painting that I think is so beautiful. It's like the mermaids from Peter Pan, I think. I'm not sure, but that's what it reminds me of. So I kind of love that. So this is one of the showers. I love this curtain. It looks really nice. Really nice tiles with like these dark ones and then these blue ones. They have a little niche here. And there's shampoo, conditioner, body wash in the pumps. And then there's a bath. And a shower with a little line to hang your clothes and a light. So it's a really nice, that's a bath shower. Anyway, so we're going to go back into this front hallway. Okay, as you walk out of that bathroom, you turn to the left. There's 2 doors, which is a cupboard. So in the hallway cupboard, we have our extra pillows and blankets. We have a washing basket because we get free laundry being in a DVC room. As DVC members, so there's no washer and laundry in our room, but we do have access to free laundry. So I can't remember if every resort normally has a washing basket, if it's just DVC. That might be why. We have lots of hangers, an iron, an ironing board, luggage rack. Just mind that backpack that does not come with the room, that is mine. I just quickly put that in there, and also this bag here. But there is a safe, and I do like this safe because it's really quite spacious and like deep, like you can go back really fast, so that would be really good for putting like a laptop or anything in there. And there's also a little, I guess you would say, like, it's not a cupboard but a little storage nook. I feel like that would be good for putting your shoes in there and on the ground. So yeah, that's the little cupboard in the hallway. Hopefully this tour is okay. So once again, so we just were there in the cupboard. If you look to your right, you'll see another sliding door similar to the one for the other bathroom, and this will be the second bathroom. So you have some more towels. This is what it looks like. You have another vanity. This one looks a lot bigger, which is really nice. Still one sink, but there's another sink in the other room, so not too worried about that. Beautiful mirror again with lights built in. Alright, so you have towels, tissues, soap. You also have, I don't know if this was in the other room, but there's like the makeup mirror, a magnifying mirror, if you need to use that. There's more towels, another trash can, 2 drawers again, just like the other bathroom. Some more storage, and yes, the hairdryer is in this bathroom, so there is a hairdryer, it's just not, there's only one, so just keep that in mind. Alright, and this, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. This is the second shower. So this one's just a walk-in shower. There's no bath. So this will probably be the one that we use. Really nice glass door. So as you can see, it's very similar tiles. It's these dark tiles, except on the floor, there's this like pebble texture, which I really like, and then those pretty blue tiles again. There's a bench seat, which is so nice. A niche again to store stuff in. They also have the H2O soap. And then there's once again a light, and there's a rainfall shower plus a handheld. So this one's really cool because it's not just a nozzle on the wall. You can use the handheld and take it out, or you can have a rainfall shower, which is really neat. So yeah, that's one of the good things about these the Poly studios, is that you get 2 bathrooms, and not a lot of other studios get that. So that's really nice. So I've just come back out of this second bathroom. If you now look to the left, this is the little kitchenette. So in a DVC studio, you have a kitchenette. So we'll work our way from the top. There's a cupboard up here, which doesn't look like it has anything in it. We have a microwave, so you get a microwave in a DVC room. You also have a cupboard which has some paper towel, bowls, paper cups, some plastic cups and cutlery, which is really nice. There's also, if you want, have you ever wondered, there's a little sign here. It tells you exactly what things they have in the DVC room, so you know what they do have. So I'll just show you that. So you know like what you need to bring and what will already be in your room. I really love this new backdrop. It's beautiful, and this here reminds me a little bit of like Maui, the waves. So I really like that. It's a little bit, I don't know if it's necessarily Moana, but that's what it reminds me of. So you have a little bench space with like coffee, sugar, that sort of thing. We have a toaster, which is really nice because we can have breakfast in here some days if we like. We have a coffee pot, another sink, so we've got 3 sinks in here, and some like dish soap and brushes, which is really neat. Now underneath the sink we have 2 trash cans, so I'm guessing one is normal and one would be recycling. We also have a little fridge. So that's our fridge. It's pretty decent size actually. I feel like that's quite big. So that's very nice. Alright, so we're done with the hallway part, so now you keep walking. Beautiful new carpet. I love these colors and the flowers. Really nice. So this is just a pan of the room. So if you look to the left, there's a TV. This is a pull down bed. You have table and chairs. Your outside would be a patio, or if you're on a higher floor, you would have a balcony. There is a couch with a coffee table that also turns into another queen bed. And then you have a proper queen bed here. This beautiful picture on the wall. So let's do a little quick tour in here. So this is a beautiful picture of like some bungalows. Very nice. You have some lamps on the wall. Little table here with a drawer, a phone. I don't see any USBs, charging points here, or any power points at all actually, so hopefully there'll be some on the other side, but we'll check that out. So this is the queen bed, just nice white linen, which I feel like they're doing for a lot of the resorts now. There's lots of room under there for your luggage, which is super nice that they've done that. Ooh, maybe I'll go check. So this is the second bedside table. So once again, you have a lamp. Your TV remote was here. Now there's another drawer, but I've noticed down here there is USB charging and a place to plug in like a power adapter. So I'll just go double check. Yes, sorry, so I did miss that. So there is one on this side as well. So you can charge from both sides, which is really good. Alright, this is the next bed. So you can either have it like this really cute picture. It has Stitch playing a ukulele on the beach with Nani and Lilo surfing. It's so beautiful. It's very subtle Disney, so I really like that. Really nice blue couch. So you can just use this as a couch, or you can pull it down and it turns into a Queen Murphy bed. So One Day at Disney book, and then there's a coffee table. Now I believe this coffee table Yes, sorry, go this way. It is also storage, so you can fit quite a lot of stuff in there, which is really cool. It's a bit hard to get that down. All right, and then over to the other side of the room, we have two really nice blue chairs. This amazing tiki lamp, which you can buy from the gift shop at the Polynesian. Another mirror, which is really nice to have. So I think we have 3 mirrors, 2 in the bathrooms, 1 here, and then there's a full-length mirror on the connecting door, so that's really cool. And then this giant TV. You also have like an ice bucket, and then they just leave some information for the room here. And then this turns into a single bed. So I'm going to show you now what it looks like with the beds pulled down. So this is like a single bed. I think an adult can still sleep on this. It's not just for kids. I think they call it a twin bed. But yeah, it looks quite nice. And there's Lilo and Stitch, so cute. And there is also a light. You can turn on a little light. So that's really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this out just so you can see what it's going to look like with both beds down. I think it's gonna be really roomy actually. So I'm going to move this coffee table out of the way. I don't know if you need to, but just gonna quickly move that. All right, now this should be fairly easy. You just pull one side. You don't need 2 people. So one person should be able to do it by themselves. And you just pull. It's actually quite like stiff, like it doesn't just drop. Well, I might have to move this coffee table a little bit more. Okay, then we push this bed down. So that's another queen bed. It's not as thick, but it's still much more comfortable than a sofa bed. And it has the pretty backdrop, backsplash that you saw in the kitchenette. There's also a light up there. I don't think there's any lights in here. I'll go check what that light switch over there does. Oh, there is like some backlighting. I don't know what that thing sticking out is. There is some backlighting, which is really nice. Yeah, so this is what the room looks like when you have this queen bed, a coffee table. There's still a walkway, 2 chairs and a table, another bed. Like there is plenty of space. So that's quite good. So I'll quickly do another pan of the room. You could obviously move the coffee table to wherever was a bit more suitable. Alright, so last part of the tour, we're gonna go outside to our patio. Ah, look who it is! Okay, so we're gonna go out to the patio. Oh gosh. So I don't know if I'll go out actually because there's really not much to see. So we just have like a little lawn. That is the pool right there. The quiet pool that I was talking about before. So you just have like a chair, a table and another chair. It's actually quite big. Like, that's quite a big patio. So it's kind of cool because I think if we go to the pool, you could just walk out and come back in. But I would probably make sure you lock it when you're not here, just so that people don't come into your room. Yes, that's really nice. And I believe there's a room number. I might go outside actually because I believe... Oh, if I can get this open. Okay, I believe your room number's also, yes, outside. So if you do go to the pool or something, you can see which one's your room, which is really cool. Alright, so that's it, pretty much it. Hopefully I haven't forgotten anything. I didn't really mention these curtains, but they are really pretty. It's got flowers and it has a subtle Moana touch here, which is really nice. And then there's just some more sheer ones behind. But yeah, hopefully you like this tour of a Polynesian studio. We're room 1944.